I thought it might be a good idea to meet with the two of you and see how you're feeling as we approach what is certain to be a momentous occasion in both your lives. So, do you both have anything on your minds? Well, how about an icebreaker to start the conversation? If you could change one thing, just one thing about your relationship, what would that be?
If I could change one thing, I'd probably have Beer talk to me more often.
Beer, do you have anything that you'd like to say to Buck? Now please understand that communication is the foundation of any lasting relationship.
It was your idea to come here. Do you want to say something?
Anything? Well, perhaps we should try some individual counseling before we begin the couples counseling.
You best do some hard thinking, or we might have a problem.
Well, why don't you stick around here and maybe you and my friend and I can have a little party.